Hi friends, today we have a nice equation 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power n is equal to perfect square, right? So we have to find out value of n. Okay. So as 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power n is equal to perfect square, right? We can write m square. Okay. Now 2 to the power n is equal to m square minus 2 to the power 8 minus 2 to the power 11. Okay. So m square minus 2 to the power 8 common. Now we have 1 plus 8, right? Or is equal to m square minus this value is equal to 2304, right? Now is equal to m, we can write this as m square minus 48 square, right? So a square minus b square, m minus 48, m plus 48, right? So 2 to the power n is equal to this, right? Let 2 to the power k is equal to m plus 48 and 2 to the power n minus k is equal to this value m minus 48, right? If we say this is equation first and this one is equation second, right? So first minus second. Now we have 2 to the power k minus 2 to the power n minus k is equal to, this will get cancel out, is equal to 96, right? If we take 2 to the power n minus k as common, so we have 2 to the power k over 2 to the power n minus k minus 1 is equal to 96. Okay. So 2 to the power n minus k and here 2 to the power 2k minus n minus 1 is equal to 96. So 2 to the power n minus k, 2 to the power 2k minus n minus 1 is equal to 96 can be brought as 2 to the power 5 into 3, right? So we can say this is equal to this and this value is equal to this, right? Now 2 to the power n minus k is equal to 2 to the power 5, right? Or n minus k is equal to 5, right? If we say this is equation number 3rd, right? Now this value is equal to this. So 2 to the power 2k minus n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2 to the power 2k minus n is equal to 4. Or 2 to the power 2k minus n is equal to 2 square, right? So 2k minus n will be equal to 2, right? If we say this is equation number 4th, right? Now 2k minus n is equal to 2, equation number 4th, right? So equation 3rd plus equation 4th. So this and this will get cancel out. So k is equal to 7, right? So and if we put the value of k in an equation, so we get n is equal to 12, right? Now we can safely say that value of n will be equal to this value will be equal to 12, right? Okay friends, thank you.